Margaret Fiona Ford Planas.
Masayang aktres na si Carla Estrada dahil nagtapos na ng pag-aaral ang isa sa kanyang mga anak na si Maggie Ford. Kaya naman pati ang kapatid ni Maggie na si Daniel Padilla ay very happy din sa pagtatapos ng pag-aaral ng kanyang kapatid. Sa kwento ni Carla ay sinabi niya ang ganito: "To my dearest daughter Maggie, today marks a monumental milestone in your life's journey as you stand on the threshold of this new chapter. I couldn't be prouder of the brilliant, compassionate, and strong individual you've become. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have paid off, and this achievement is a testament to your unwavering commitment to your dreams. As you move forward, remember that the world needs your unique light, your voice, and your passion. Never stop learning, growing, and pushing beyond your limits. Chase your aspirations with courage, kindness, and humility. And always remember, no matter where life takes you, you'll always have a home in my heart. Congratulations, anak. I love you more than words can say. Shine bright and make your mark on the world." Margaret Fiona Ford Planas, BA double major in Economics and International Politics, Research Associate at the School of Social and Political Sciences specializing in Applied International Political Economy, the University of Melbourne. Nagbigay naman ng congratulatory messages sina Rufa Gutierrez at Khaled Karen. Ayon kay Rufa, "Congratulations, proud tita here, keep shining, we love you." Congratulations, and Ate Carla Estrada, napakahusay. Bumuhos din ang paghanga ng maraming netizen dahil mas inuna nga ni Maggie Ford ang pag-aaral at pagtatapos nito. Kaya naman very happy ang kanyang family na panibagong chapter ng buhay ngayon ang gagawin ni Maggie, lalo na't nakatapos na siya ng kolehiyo sa isa sa mga top university sa Australia.
Margaret Fiona Ford Planas.